Hello everyone, Penny here with Junk Journal Ministry, and today I'm still working on the scrap Franken Paper Junk Journal, and I'm just showing you the progress so far that I am working on. And this is a piece of junk mail that I showed you earlier, and I'm just stitching on the back some of the scraps so that I can use it as a pocket. And so here I'm just sewing the pieces to make it like a Franken paper back. This is just a piece of junk mail that came in the mail. It was one of those cards, so now I'm sewing it on 3 sides to make it a pocket. Okay, so I am now going to be preparing the pages for the cover. Now, I'm going to be working on getting the pages prepped and ready for this, to be put on here. And then I will show you about how to reinforce the spine front and back, okay? So I have some old book pages that came from, looks like a fabric sewing book. Looks like it was like it was in the 30s, this book, 30s and 40s. So I'm going to decide which one that I want. I'm going to put paper. Now I don't have to sew nothing. I can just glue this down if I want to, the way that I need to. And here I am using the glue stick to just glue down the pieces to make a sort of Franken paper, as you may want to call it, or collage paper, however that you want to call. I don't want to have to sit and wait for the glue to dry, so I'm just using a small amount of glue in the middle of the strips, and just use what you have. You don't have to use anything matching. Here I am talking about using the FIBA tape. FIBA, F-I-B-A tape, it's contractor's drywall tape. It is sticky, and I put that in the spine to reinforce it. It is flexible, and you can dye it, use an ink pad to whatever color, but I usually get the white. Here I am talking about putting the middle, and here's the pieces that I'm actually sewing. Sewing all the little strips down to make our Franken paper sort of type collage paper, scrap paper, whatever you want to call it. This is to go to the inside of the cover. So I am sewing away here. So stay tuned for part 4. As you can see, my bobbin is out. So I'll see you later for the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.